Hi there, creative friends. Today we're going to explore the fascinating world of sublimation, along with the significance of heat-resistant tape in producing a perfect finish. For this particular project, I've already cut my paper down to size. This specific tumbler is a 20 ounce. If you would like the link where I purchased, I'll be more than happy to share it with you. So with this wonderful method of sublimation printing, we can print vivid designs on a variety of surfaces. Custom clothing, mugs, anything you want, as long as it has some type of polyester in it or is made for sublimation. However, one important component that's frequently overlooked is the use of the heat-resistant tape. Now, you may be asking yourself why heat-resistant tape matters so much during this process. You've done this before. Have you ever had color bleed in a sublimation print? You're waiting on an incoming shipment, you're down to your last little bit of supplies. You've completely ruined your project. It's because of the tape. The tape simply holds your design firmly in place. The layout remains precisely where you want it. Friends, it's all about accuracy and flawless execution. Using tape that is heat resistant guarantees that. This ensures that the tape can tolerate high temperatures without leaving residue or hurting your creation. Heat resistant tape is the unsung hero of sublimation printing. Also want you to take note that while I was taping my design onto my substrate, stretched and pulled the design as tight as I could, sure that there would be no gaps and no bleed. Now, the manufacturer of this particular mug suggests that you set your heat press from 350 to 360 for 50 seconds. Also using parchment paper to make sure that I don't have any scorching, because we don't want that either. And I've said it before and I'll say it again, please make sure that whatever design you're using, you purchase it. This specific design was made for someone very special in my life who absolutely loves Red Bull. Note, I am not selling this design. This is a gift for someone that I love. These particular gloves came with the heat press. If you don't have any, you can get some oven mitts from Dollar Tree. That'll work just fine as well. The other day, I couldn't even find my gloves. I ended up using some tongs from out of my utensil drawer. Just make sure you use something. I don't want you burning your hands. A beautiful and seamless design, no bleed. If you found this tutorial helpful, let me know in the comments. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you.